Hello, and this is Big Data with Nicholas Moltari. What is Big Data? Big Data is the collection of a large amount of data from multiple sources that is used to fulfill these 5 aspects: reliability, accuracy, variability, speediness, and valued data. These are all key components in big data and being used for the intention of analyzing. Who is using big data? Some people of interest that use big data are generally leaders of an organization. Marketers also use big data. Marketers also use big data to hone their products to consumers. Another career centered around big data is data analytics, who are the ones that set up and analyze the data to be usable for corporations or types of organizations. Where is big data being used? These are the questions. The key areas that big data is being utilized are the following: government, insurance industry, medical industry, social media outlets, and the education systems. When to use big data? Big data is being used and collected all the time. Data is collected from all sources and is constantly being analyzed. Sometimes it is processed immediately after an organization receives it. Why should you use big data? The following reasons are why organizations are currently focusing on big data. It helps predict the interests of the consumer. This allows companies to be able to research and develop on products that they believe will best perform in the market. Help identify potential risk. This will help get ahead and to be able to basically control any type of risk that may fall upon an organization. It also reduces the cost of operation. Being able to collect data can help supply chain majors can help efficientize an operation. Lastly, it can also be used to evaluate potential market risk, things that corporations may not want to dip their toes in due to the liability aspect that they find in the data. How does Sweden utilize big data for education? One of its SDGs. In Sweden, they are using big data in the education system to identify what students are excelling in subjects and striving in others. This makes the teachers more efficient in their outreach to students on subjects, gives special attention to low-performing areas so they can better utilize their time and the students. To finish off today's video, 2 fun facts and a lie. 1, big data comes in loads of terabytes or more. 2, 90% of the world's data was created in the last 4 years. Or 3rd, big data does not require actual data. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a good day.